system was roti cultivation. This is an interesting system, and also this is the system which led to the downfall of the Britishers in front of the farmers because of its failure. What was the system? Under the roti system, the planters forced the ryots. The ryots were the farmers to sign a contract and forcefully gave them cash advances at low rates of interest to produce indigo. Britishers were not fooled that they gave advances in cash and that too at low interest. This was a trap that they wanted the Indian farmers to catch, and they wanted them to be trapped in this debt trap. Because how they were caught in the trap, you will got to know from the next point. The terms of the loan forced the ryot to cultivate indigo on at least 25% of the area under its holding. Now here, in the niche cultivation, the farmers were growing the indigo on their own terms, on their own condition, in whatever amount of field they wanted to. But here, as the farmers are signing a contract because they are given a loan, so they have to cultivate the indigo on at least 25% of the area. Like if I have 2 bigha, so I have to at least do the cultivation on half bigha of my land. The price that they got for the indigo that they produced was very low in market. Thus, even when the crop delivered to the planter after the harvest, a new loan was given to the ryot, and the cycle starts all over again. Now, if I am selling it on low prices, that means I am going to face a loss for sure. But still, the Britishers were ready to give another cycle of loan, and this cycle never ended, and which led the farmers to catch or to be caught in the debt trap. The cycles of loan never ended, as I said. The planters usually insisted that indigo be cultivated on the best soils in which the peasants or the farmers preferred to cultivate rice. Also, in one of the terms and conditions of the planters, means Britishers on whomsoever were forcing farmers to plant the indigo crop, also made this compulsory to grow it on the best soil so that they can get the best quality of indigo. What was the problem with the indigo crop? That it had deep roots which exhausted the soil fertility very rapidly, and farmers wanted to grow rice on their best soil because it does not harm the fertility of the soil. Also, it had good price in the market, and also it was the staple food of the farmer. So this system slowly led to becoming farmers exhausting in doing the indigo cultivation. Now we are going to read in the next part the Blue Rebellion. There is a limit to everything. Now all the torture that was done by the Britishers on the name of new settlement systems, new divide systems of the taxes, on the name of growing production through plantation crop, let the farmers lose their temperament after so many years, and which led to the Blue Rebellion, which we are going to read in the next video.